I bet you didn't know that this movie is being edited with Premiere Pro. Number 1, it's Deadpool. This superhero movie was edited using Adobe Premiere Pro by Julian Quark, who received an Oscar nomination for Best Editing. But unfortunately, he didn't win it.
God damn it!
At number 2 is The Social Network. This drama film was edited by Kirk Baxter and Angus Wall, who won an Oscar for Best Editing using Premiere Pro. And who knows, one day if you use Premiere Pro, you might win Oscar as well. At third place comes The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo. This is another collaboration between Kirk Baxter and Angus Wall, who again edited this movie using Premiere Pro. Well, this time they didn't win anything using Premiere Pro. At fourth place comes The Mighty Avengers. This blockbuster superhero movie was edited by Jeffrey Ford and Lisa Lasek, who used Premiere Pro to bring all these superheroes together. At number 5, it's Hail Caesar. This comedy movie was edited by Roderick James, who is actually a pseudonym for the Coen brothers, and they used Premiere Pro to bring their comedic vision to life. At number 6, it's La La Land. This musical film was edited by Tom Cruise, who won an Oscar for Best Editing using Premiere Pro. That's a second person winning Oscar by using Premiere Pro. So people, please start using Premiere Pro. At number 7, it's Gone Girl. This thriller movie was edited by Kirk Baxter and Angus Wall. Yes, them again. And what they used to edit the movie? Of course, Premiere Pro. And this time they didn't win anything again. At number 8, it's Star Wars: The Force Awakens. The sci-fi blockbuster was edited by Marion Brandon and Mary Jo Markey, who used Premiere Pro to help create the epic space battles and lightsaber duels. Bzz, bzz. At number 9, it's The Martian. This sci-fi movie was edited by Pietro Scalia, who won an Oscar for Best Editing using Premiere Pro. Third person winning Oscar using Premiere Pro, guys. And at number 10, we've got Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. What can I say about this movie? Skip almost the whole movie and watch the last few minutes of it. That's the best part of it. This comedy drama film was edited by Fred Ruskin, who used Premiere Pro to help bring Quentin Tarantino's unique / crazy vision to the big screen. So there you have it, the top 10 movies that were edited using Adobe Premiere Pro. And if I missed any of your favorite movies that you definitely know that been edited with Premiere Pro, you can let me know in the comments down below. And also don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.